Show of hands. How many of you are tired of doing this? You got to come in here, you got to set up your order, and then you got to come over here and do it on the other account. Such a waste of time, am I right? Or maybe some of you are in here and you figured out the group trading feature, right? So you created a group, you're trading in a group, but then when you come up here and you try to do an OCO or ATM order, it rejects your order. So then you're having to go in and submit every single leg manually, which is super annoying. Well, I've got a solution finally, guys. This is what it is. This is NinjaTrader, and Apex actually makes a copy trader for NinjaTrader that allows you to copy multiple accounts, not group trading, true copy trading, where you have a leader account and then follower accounts. They will do exactly what the leader account is doing, whether you're adjusting take profits, stop losses, canceling everything, setting orders up. It'll just carbon copy it. So how do you get that? This is how you do it. You're going to come here to apexinvesting.com. Apex Investing is part of Apex. It's actually a separate company, but it's owned by the same people. You're going to scroll down here, and you're going to go to NinjaTrader 8, Tradovate, and TradingView Trade Copier V10, okay? And you're going to go ahead and get this. It is $150, but it's a one-time fee. Well, you're going to sign up for that. So first things first, though, before you buy that plugin, obviously you got to get NinjaTrader. Some of you don't even have it on your computer. So go to the Apex website. Look this up, how to set up NinjaTrader 8.1 with Tradovate accounts. And it's going to give you this beautiful rundown on how to do it. There's even like a video to show you, but it's pretty easy. You're just basically going to download NinjaTrader, create an account. You're going to sign up for a trial and then download the desktop app. And then down here, they show you how to add your Tradovate accounts to NinjaTrader. Once you've done all that, you launch NinjaTrader, the account should be there. And then you can go and buy the plugin, and then that'll take you to this next part of the video. Okay, so a couple of things I want to show you before we get into the actual copy trading part. There's just a couple housekeeping items. First of all, if you want to add a panel, you're going to go up here to New. You can add whatever panel you want. So if I just want to do like a basic entry panel, it's going to add it, and I can just slide it up here. So that's how you'd add like a basic entry panel. But what I like to do, I'm going to get rid of this, is I like to right-click on this, go to Properties, and I go to Chart Trader. Apply, it'll give you the trader right there. And then if I right click on Chart Trader, make sure that you are looking, your P&L display is in currency, not in points, okay? That's important. And I believe you got to do it on each one, yeah. So the next part you're going to do is select your account. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the right account. So account 47 is on this chart, account 48 is on this one, all right? So that's just some housekeeping items. The last one too that I'll show you is like, if you go to options, I recommend doing the slate gray. That's the color I'm rocking right now. When you first bring in NinjaTrader, it's going to be white. Last thing I want to show you is this is a lot like TradingView, where you can just right click on the screen and you can throw in orders right here, which I think is kind of cool. But let me get into the copy trader now to show you guys how that works.
To install the new copier, you will open the Apex Investing Desktop Assistant. Once open, click on NinjaTrader Toolkit. In this case, I have NinjaTrader open. If I were to close it, it will populate a list of updates. I will choose the latest update and click Install. Once installed, go to your NinjaTrader, click New, go down to Apex Copier. When I click Apex Copier, it's going to pop up a message. This message says, watch out, there is another copier open in Workspace, which I have named Test. This message popped up because I already had the copier open. We built this in to warn you if you inadvertently open two copiers in the same workspace. I'll click OK and close out of that second copier. In my test workspace, I have 2 Rithmic accounts and 2 Tradovate accounts. So let's go over the features on the new copier. If you come up to the copier under Leader Account, there's a drop down. This will show your active accounts. You can choose either a Rithmic or a Tradovate account to lead with. I'm going to choose a Rithmic. Come down below. This is the list of followers that I have available. I'm going to choose an additional Rithmic and 2 Tradovate accounts to follow with. Come up to Instrument. I am trading the Mini NQ. If you look here under Ratio, this essentially ratios the follower accounts against the leader's order quantity size, and I will show how that works in a couple trades. The cross is a cross between Mini to Micro and Micro to Mini. I'm trading a mini NQ. If I were to turn this on in my followers, it will then cross all the followers to a micro NQ. The flatten per account is unique to the Apex Trade Copier. This allows you to flatten positions per account as you see fit. Up top, we have a flatten all that will flatten all positions across all accounts. If you look at the tab here, you can see it has the leader account shown and the instrument. I can click the plus sign, set up an additional tab. So let's choose a different instrument, ES. And now I have one tab set up for ES and the other tab set up for NQ. If you right-click anywhere on the trade copier, you're going to see a couple options. The first option is always on top. This simply means that you can set it so the trade copier is always on top of your other windows. So I can turn that on. And you will see now it says always on top is on. The toggle on allows you to toggle all accounts on with one click. So I have everything deselected now. If I click toggle on, it will toggle all of my accounts on, and then I can just choose I don't want to trade that sim account. That's handy if you have 10 or 20 accounts you're trading at one time. The desync is currently selected. The desync is essentially it syncs the follower accounts against the leader. If the follower accounts do not get filled in time, it will automatically flatten the positions on the follower. This eliminates the chance that these followers then get an inverse position when the leader fills its stops. If for whatever reason you do not want that, you can click it and turn it off. When that is armed, there are times that these accounts will not sync and then they will go to an orange or to a red X. If that is the case, you can go in and simply click rearmed desynced accounts and it will rearm these accounts. The save instrument template, this saves the instrument that you have open. So if I were to click Save Instrument Template, I now have it save the template for NQ with this configuration. And I can go in and click Load Last Save Template, and that's my saved template. So let's look at doing a couple trades. If I come down to my leader account, which is over here, let's just buy the market. I've currently got this all set up, so it's trading one contract across all 4 of my accounts. Buy the market, you'll see I'm in positions across all 4. I can move my stops wherever I want them. It's moving on all of the follower accounts. I can come up, flatten all, and I'm flat across all accounts. You will notice a little countdown timer on the flatten all. That essentially is allowing the system time to exit all trades before you place another trade. Let's buy the market again. Let's come up here and show you how the flatten per account works. So I can click flatten. It's flatten that account, this account, and I've only got my leader. I can click flatten all, and I'm out of all trades. You will notice this turned to a red X. You can either click these independently or you can right click and click rearm desynced accounts, and I'm back up with my original configuration. If you were trading without an ATM strategy, let me turn this off, and I buy the market. I can enter a limit order on the chart, move it wherever I want. It's moving across all followers. Turn my ATM back on. Under the ratio, I will show how this works 2 different ways. We're first of all just going to set this to 2, 3, and 4. And if I buy the market, it entered 1 contract, 2 contracts, 3, and 4, exactly the way I have it set up here. Click flatten all. I'm out of all positions. If I go up here and change this to 0.5, this to 2, and this to 3, and then change my leader to 4 contracts and buy the market, you will see it's entered 4 on the leader, 2 on this follower because this is set to 0.5, 8 on this follower because it's set to 2 or twice the position of the leader, and this one entered with 12 because it is set to 3 or 3 times the position of my leader. And I can hit flatten all and I'm out of that. Now what's interesting about this trade copier, for those of you who use TradingView, you can set this trade copier up inside of NinjaTrader the way that I have it set up. You can have both Rhythmic and Tradovate accounts. As long as you lead with a Tradovate account in the copier and then choose the same account in your TradingView software, you can then use this copier inside of NinjaTrader but execute all your trades via TradingView and still have full utilization of this trading copier. So that's pretty handy for those of you who are using TradingView and would like to trade copy multiple accounts. You still are able to flatten positions via the flatten everything. We do not advise spamming or repeatedly hitting the close button, as that can inverse some orders in NinjaTrader. That's been an ongoing problem for NinjaTrader. So we always advise hitting flatten everything or using the flatten all in the trade copier. We're excited to have you use this copier. For any support, once again, go back to the Apex Investing website, open a support ticket, and we will be glad to help you out. Thanks and have a great day.